Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can create manga split transition in Capcut Mobile. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my Capcut application, and first of all, I'm going to create new project. I'm going to click on new project and I'm going to select the photo. I'm going to choose the photo from this folder and I'm going to add my first photo. I'm just going to select this one and I'm going to add it to my project. Okay, and then we can go to the overlay and tap on add overlay and choose the second photo. Okay, and then I'm going to make it shorter like this, and you can place this photo to the part you want to add transition. I'm going to place it right here. Okay, and I'm going to cut my first photo. Okay, and then I'm going to click on the second photo and I'm going to fit the screen like this, and we're going to use mask to create the split transition. You can go to the mask option right here and then select the mirror mask. Okay, then we can rotate it just like this, and I'm going to make it fully covered with the mask. Okay, and don't forget to add the keyframe. Okay, and I'm going to move to the end part of my second photo and I'm going to make it opened like this. Oops. Okay, just like that. Okay, now it's done guys, and I'm going to show you the result. Wait, I'm going to place it right here a little bit. Oops, sorry. Right, and this is the final result. Okay guys, and that's how we can create manga split transition in Capcut Mobile. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.